In this video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how to deactivate unrequired function buttons on the SES range of cash registers. So in this demonstration I'm going to show you how to delete the refund button, the no sale button and a couple of department buttons. Please note that this is a fairly final act, so although you can reactivate the buttons at a later date, it's a lot more complicated than deactivating them, because we're effectively removing them from the machine. But if you've done all your programming and you no longer require these buttons for whatever reason, then you can remove them, and I'll now show you how to do it. So first thing to do is to turn the key round to PGM and then arrow down to system setting. When that's highlighted, you press cash amount end here and you'll get PO1 displayed on screen. So to deactivate the buttons, you press number 4 followed by subtotal, then 0, and you now press each of the buttons in turn. So I'm going to delete RF, refund, I'm going to delete NS, no sale, and I'm going to delete departments 25 and 24. Once you've entered all the buttons that you're wishing to remove from the till, you press subtotal and then turn the key back round to reg. We'll now try and use those buttons to show you what happens. So if we try and do a no sale and open the till, the button doesn't exist anymore, so nothing happens. Likewise with the department buttons, absolutely nothing. If we try and assign that sale to a different department, you can see that it works. So that is how to deactivate the buttons. Please be aware that it's a fairly final process, so only remove the buttons if you are 100% sure that you don't want them on the register. I've got a video explaining the possibility of reactivating them, which will be popping up right now, so you can check that out before you deactivate them to understand the full process. For more information on using the Casio SES range of cash registers, please visit casiohelp.co.uk or subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.